Okay, I had to go ahead and put this on. So first thing first, with our bald cap, y'all know we're gonna need our Got to Be Glued spray. Go ahead and do a nice layer, nice generous amount around the perimeter. So we're gonna do 2 layers of the Got to Be Glued spray. First one is necessary, second one is necessary as well, because it really gets it molded down. You know what I mean? We're going to go in with our blow dryer. Alright, you guys, now that my bald cap is done, as you can see, I already went over it with my makeup. 356, oh my gosh, I can't talk. 356 Warm Coconut Fit Me Maybelline Foundation. That is what I use, and I use this brush to just buff it into the cap. And I also use my 70% alcohol to clean off the perimeter of my lace. My cap. So here is the wig we'll be installing today for the girls. For the girls, as you can see, pre-colored ginger. I did pluck. I didn't bleach the knots because, as you can see, when you get pre-colored wigs and when you just have 613 hair period, you do not need to bleach the knots because they're already bleached. So this is the plucked hairline. I did pluck it a little, well, I plucked it. I plucked it a good amount, but it didn't need it necessarily. If you really didn't want to, or you can't, you don't have to. Like, it was pretty pre-plucked, y'all. But this is the inside. 1, 2, 3, 4 combs, bra straps. You know, I like to call them those. Lace at the back. We're going to cut that off. And yeah, so I don't know what inch this is. I'll let you guys know in the description box down below, though, as well as the density. I cannot say off the top of my head, but the density and the length, I will let you guys know. And I know that this is an average cap for sure. That's always what I get. So I'm gonna cut this lace off at the back of this. Then we're gonna put this on our head. All right, you guys, this is the wig once it's on my head. I like it. I mean, it's very loose. It's very loose, but it's kind of a good thing because I could place it where I want to place it easily. I low-key might do the bra straps in the back. I don't know yet. But yeah, I already put foundation on this cap. I mean, see, now I'm getting the two mixed up. One, the lace, and then, yeah. So I'm gonna take this off actually and do the bra straps because it's kind of loose, kind of very loose. I'm just going to clean off my skin here. so that glue can stick really well and how it should, period. Alright, you guys, I am back. I actually took a small little eating break because I was hungry. But if the lighting is different or if the positioning of the camera is different, that is why. I apologize for that in advance. But this is how the lace is looking right now. As you can see, very ashy. But this is why I gotta trust the process, because this is about to be cute. It's about to be cute as fuck. I'll go in and see if this helps. Plus, we haven't tied the lace down yet, so that also has a lot to do with it. But I'm going to take this makeup brush here with my foundation and kind of just... Yeah, this is cute. This is cute. This is cute. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm stoked. This is it. Wax stick. This is our Luster's, excuse me, I'm sorry. Luster's Renutrient Slick Stick. Okay, local beauty supply store, very cheap. I think it was like $5 or $7. Just gonna use that right where we need it. Nowhere else but where we need it. Smooth that out with our fingers before we're going in with our hot comb. And now we're going in with our hot comb. Our edges are laid. I'm so happy about them. I mean, they look gorgeous. Y'all know I love dramatic baby hairs, especially with colored hair. And I was just feeling it with this. Like, it just had to happen. It's the finished look. I love it. I love it. Look at it. So yeah, make sure to check the description box down below for more information on this hair, as well as my social medias, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, all of that, to be my friend, because like dead ass, I do be friends with y'all on the internet. Y'all know that. Y'all know that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys. Why are you you're looking at me?
I don't have any reaction.
But you're looking at me. And I'll catch you guys in my next one.